Hi, this is Michael Cornetti. I'm currently enrolled in the Management Career Institute's course, AI for Product Management. For the last 37 years, I've been involved in the financial industry, and in the last 5 to 6 years, I've been involved strictly in the consulting side of the business. It is during these last 5 or 6 years that I've come to the realization that my background in product management, especially utilizing AI today, was very narrow, and in order for me to address some of these product management and process management questions, I needed to expand my knowledge, foundation, and background in the product management area. That's when I did some research on some outstanding curriculums that could help me, and that's when I came across the Management Career Institute's program, which I'm currently enrolled in. And if you're looking for a program that offers you high quality instruction on a weekly basis, class time basis, as well as, in my situation, the opportunity to interact with classmates that have had a far more greater experience in product management than I have, it's a double-edged learning experience for me, and I couldn't ask for anything better. So if you're looking for an outstanding program for product management utilizing AI, definitely look up the Career Management Institute. Good luck with your endeavor.